Dogecoin has seen over 400% growth in the past year, and analysts expect it to reach an average price of $2.7775 by 2030. Dogecoin, Doge, was created as a joke in 2013 but has since gained immense popularity and now has a loyal following and a market capitalization of over $57.30 billion as of 12 November. The big question is, will Doge holders continue to make profits and laugh all the way to the bank? Here is a look at the history, features and potential of this meme-inspired coin. Gain insights on the future of Dogecoin based on some of the most reliable Doge price prediction analysis from experts. Dogecoin Price Prediction Table. The following summarize the most popular price predictions for Dogecoin, Doge. Note that these are not guaranteed forecasts and are subject to change. 2025 $0.388, 2026 $0.331, 2027 $0.360, 2028 $0.514, 2029 $0.732, 2031 $1.05, 2031 $1.50, 2032 $2.17, 2033 $3.22, 2040 $43.10, 2050 $88.04. 2025 Dogecoin Price Prediction. Using technical analysis, Concordex predicts Doge to trade between $0.331479 and $1.085418 by 2025, with an average of $0.564819. Techopedia takes a fundamental approach and expects an average of 30 cents by the end of the year. Changely predicts a minimum price of $0.0747 and a maximum of $0.309 for 2025. Coinpedia's Doge price prediction sees the coin trading at a potential high of $1.07. 2030 Dogecoin price prediction. According to Changely, Doge is expected to trade at an average of $1.22 in 2030. Coinpedia predicts the token could surge to $3.035, while Concordex sees a high price of $0.776668, based on technical analysis. Congape's 2030 Doge price prediction sees the coin trading at an average of $1.05. 2050 Dogecoin price prediction. Concordex suggests Dogecoin could be trading at $7.49 by December 2050, assuming it follows Bitcoin's growth trend of the past 3 years. Changely, however, projects a more ambitious estimate, foreseeing a maximum price of $106.47. Congape shares the same positive sentiment with Changely, predicting the Doge price to reach an impressive high of $97.29. Remember to conduct thorough research and analysis before considering any investment in Dogecoin or any other cryptocurrency. Predictions are just that, guesses, and they can change as new information emerges.